As a tech, a lot of people ask me about common metal clicking or popping sounds coming from their front wheels during turns. One of the most common repairs for this would be a CV joint repair. The purpose of this repair is to allow a vehicle to maintain constant power around turns, and most commonly this can take hours to fix the whole shaft while also being a pain point for the customer as well as us. Dorman's Loc-Boot is a universal CV joint boot, and why is that important? It's important because it's a quick and simple fix. Dorman's Loc-Boot is made from a strong rubber polyurethane material that has a shaft side step down and custom gear clamps, so you can do this repair with just a screwdriver and a knife in only 30 minutes. Here's how easy it is. Remove the old CV clamps and boot. Unpack your new Loc-Boot kit. Clean the CV joint, then fully test fit your Loc-Boot. Determine if there is any excess rubber on the boot and remove it with a knife or razor. Add the adhesive to only one side of the locking channel, then quickly lock the boot together before it dries. Although the adhesive cures very quickly, we recommend you wait at least 2 minutes to be sure. While this is drying, go ahead and apply the supplied grease from your kit into the joint. With the boot connected on one side, install the boot around the axle, then apply adhesive to the other side of the boot. Connect the locking channel, then wait 2 more minutes. Finally, pull the boot completely onto the joint, removing any tabs or steps blocking a correct fit. To complete the repair, just attach the clamp supplied with your kit and tighten firmly. The most important aspect is the adhesive that is included with your Loc-Boot kit. Some adhesives can take hours or even days to cure, but the quick locking solution in our kit cures in less than 5 seconds, saving you and your customer valuable time and money.